Hey there folks, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the world of automotive excellence, focusing on why Toyota has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable car companies ever. So buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into what makes Toyota stand out from the crowd. Now, when it comes to reliability, Toyota has been setting the gold standard for decades. But what exactly makes Toyota vehicles so dependable? Let's break it down. First off, it all starts with Toyota's commitment to quality manufacturing. From the assembly line to the final inspection, Toyota holds its vehicles to the highest standards. Every component is meticulously crafted and rigorously tested to ensure durability and longevity. Toyota prioritizes reliability above all else. They invest heavily in research and development to continuously improve their engineering processes and design more robust vehicles. But it's not just what happens on the factory floor. Toyota's renowned reliability comes from its relentless focus on innovation and technology. Toyota subjects its vehicles to some of the most rigorous testing protocols in the industry, pushing them to their limits to identify any potential weaknesses. This commitment to quality assurance ensures that Toyota owners can have a peace of mind knowing their vehicles are built to last. Another key factor in Toyota's reliability is its extensive dealer network and robust customer support services. Whether it's routine maintenance or unexpected repairs, Toyota owners can count on prompt and professional service from certified technicians. Toyota understands that maintaining a vehicle is just as important as building it, which is why they go above and beyond to support their customers throughout the ownership experience. So there you have it, folks. From its commitment to quality manufacturing and innovative engineering to its unwavering dedication to customer satisfaction, Toyota has earned its reputation as one of the most reliable car companies ever. Now, let's dive deeper into some of the examples of how Toyota's reliability shines through in various aspects of their vehicles. One aspect where Toyota excels in is in the longevity of its drivetrains. Whether it's the legendary reliability of the Toyota Corolla's engine or the robust performance of the Toyota Tacoma's transmission, Toyota has a proven track record of delivering powertrains that go the distance. If you ask me, I'm continuously impressed by the durability of their drivetrains. With proper maintenance, they can easily surpass 200,000 miles or more with ease. But it's not only under the hood where Toyota shines. Their commitment to safety is another reason why customers trust the brand. Toyota was one of the first automakers to prioritize safety features such as ABS brakes, airbags, and stability control across its entire lineup. Today, Toyota continues to innovate with advanced driver assistance systems like Toyota Safety Sense, which helps prevent accidents before they happen. Safety is ingrained in Toyota's DNA. Toyota's engineers are constantly researching and implementing new technologies to make their vehicles safer for everyone on the road. Now, let's not forget Toyota's commitment to environmental sustainability. Toyota revolutionized the automotive industry with the introduction of the Prius, the world's first mass-produced hybrid car. Since then, Toyota has continued to lead the way in hybrid and electric vehicle technology, offering eco-friendly options for consumers who want to reduce their carbon footprint. I honestly believe that Toyota creates vehicles not only to deliver exceptional performance and reliability, but also to minimize their impact on the environment. That's why they're constantly exploring new ways to make their vehicles more fuel efficient and eco-friendly. In conclusion, Toyota's reputation as one of the most reliable car companies ever is well deserved. From its unwavering commitment to quality manufacturing and innovative engineering to its dedication to customer satisfaction, Toyota continues to set the standard for excellence in the automotive industry. Thank you for joining me through this journey on the world of Toyota. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming automotive content. Until next time, drive safe. And remember, with Toyota, you're not just getting a car, you're getting a peace of mind that will last for miles and miles. See you next time.